Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Club. I'm so happy you are here today. If you want to improve your English listening, vocabulary, speaking, and confidence, then this lesson is perfect for you. Today's lesson is designed for English learners at the B1 level. That means you already know basic English and now you want to speak more naturally and confidently in daily life. So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the lesson. Let's begin. A busy morning. Have you ever had one of those mornings where everything goes wrong? Well, today I want to tell you a story about a young man named Daniel. Daniel lived in a small apartment in a busy city. Every morning, he woke up at 6:30 because he worked in an office downtown. Usually, he was very organized. He prepared his clothes the night before, packed his bag, and even made breakfast early. But one Monday morning, things were very different. When Daniel woke up, he looked at the clock and suddenly jumped out of bed. "Oh no," he shouted. "It's already 8 o'clock." He had forgotten to set his alarm. He quickly ran to the bathroom, brushed his teeth, and got dressed as fast as possible. While he was putting on his shoes, he realized something terrible. His phone battery was dead. "That's just great," he said sarcastically. Daniel rushed outside and started running toward the bus stop. Unfortunately, when he arrived, the bus was already leaving. He tried to wave at the driver, but the bus continued moving. At that moment, Daniel felt frustrated and stressed. Have you ever felt like that before? Sometimes life does not go the way we plan. Even when we try our best, unexpected problems appear. Staying calm during problems. Now, here is something important to remember. When problems happen, many people panic. They become angry, nervous, or upset. But staying calm is one of the best skills you can learn in life. Daniel understood this after taking a deep breath. Instead of becoming angry, he decided to think clearly. He walked to a nearby cafe and ordered a cup of coffee. Then he borrowed a charger from the waiter and charged his phone for a few minutes. After that, he called his manager. "Good morning," Daniel said politely. "I'm really sorry, but I'm running late today because I missed my alarm." His manager replied, "Don't worry, Daniel. These things happen sometimes. Just come safely." Immediately, Daniel felt better. You see, honesty and communication are very important. When we explain problems calmly and respectfully, people usually understand. Useful B1 vocabulary. Now, let's learn some useful B1 words and expressions from the story. Organized. An organized person plans things carefully and keeps everything in order. Example: Maria is very organized. She always finishes her work on time. Frustrated. Frustrated means feeling upset because something is not working well. Example: I felt frustrated when my computer stopped working. Unexpected. Unexpected means something surprising that you did not plan. Example: We had an unexpected visitor last night. Panic. To panic means to suddenly become very nervous or afraid. Example: There's no need to panic. We can solve the problem. Respectfully. Respectfully means speaking politely and kindly. Example: He respectfully asked the teacher for help. Try to repeat these words aloud after listening. Repetition helps improve pronunciation and memory. Why learning English takes time. Many English learners ask the same question. How can I become fluent faster? The answer is simple but important. Fluency takes time, patience, and daily practice. Some people think they must learn hundreds of grammar rules before speaking English. But that is not true. The best way to improve is to use English every day. You can listen to podcasts, watch English videos, read simple books, speak with friends, practice shadowing, learn new vocabulary daily. Even 20 minutes of practice every day can make a huge difference. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. You do not need to speak perfect English. You only need to keep improving step by step. Daniel learns an important lesson. Later that evening, Daniel was sitting at home thinking about his difficult morning. At first, he believed the day was terrible. But then he realized something interesting. Even though everything started badly, the situation taught him an important lesson. He learned to stay calm during stressful situations, to communicate honestly, and to prepare better for the future. So before going to bed, Daniel bought a new alarm clock and fully charged his phone. This will never happen again, he laughed. Sometimes, difficult experiences help us become smarter and stronger. The same thing happens when learning English. Maybe you forget words. Maybe you make grammar mistakes. Maybe you feel shy when speaking. But every mistake helps you learn. Mistakes are not failures. They are part of progress. Speaking practice. Now, let's practice speaking together. I will say a sentence, and you can repeat after me. Ready? Learning English takes time and patience. I feel more confident every day. Mistakes help me improve. I will continue practicing English. Very good. Speaking aloud is extremely important because it trains your mouth and brain to work together in English naturally. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you become. Daily habits for better English. Here are 5 simple habits that can help improve your English faster. Number 1. Think in English. Try to describe simple things around you in English. For example, the weather is nice today. I am making breakfast. I need to go shopping. This helps your brain become more comfortable with English. Number 2. Learn phrases, not only words. Instead of learning single words, learn complete expressions. For example, instead of only learning the word tired, learn, I'm tired after work. This sounds more natural. Number 3. Listen every day. Even short listening practice is helpful. You can listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing. Number 4. Don't fear mistakes. Every fluent speaker made mistakes while learning. Mistakes are normal. Number 5. Stay consistent. Small daily practice is more powerful than studying once a week for many hours. Consistency creates progress. Before we finish today's lesson, I want you to remember something very important. Learning English is not a race. Some people learn quickly. Others learn slowly. But if you continue practicing, you will improve. Every new word you learn matters. Every sentence you speak matters. Every minute of practice matters. Believe in yourself and continue moving forward. One day, you will look back and realize how much your English has improved. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thank you so much for spending time with me today here on the English Club. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.